pain can affect everything: walking, climbing stairs, workouts, and even sleep. I'm Denise, registered physiotherapist, and after treating thousands of knee cases, I've learned one important truth. Knees don't get better with rest. They get better with the right movement. Whether it's arthritis, ligament strain, post-surgical rehab, or patellofemoral pain, the knee responds incredibly well to a combination of manual therapy, joint mobilization, muscle activation, targeted strengthening, and functional retraining. We don't just treat the knee, we also assess the hips, ankles, and gait pattern, because the knee is affected by everything above and below it. With structured treatment, most patients see less swelling, improved strength, better joint stability, and confidence to return to daily activity.
Knee injuries in rehab. Frequently asked questions. Do I need a brace?
Not always. Many patients improve without one.
Can knee pain be fixed without surgery?
Absolutely. Many conditions respond extremely well to physiotherapy alone. Your recovery is a step-by-step process, and my role is to guide you safely through every stage.